How to fix League of Legends Reconnect loop. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go through steps on how you can fix the Reconnect loop error on League of Legends, or if you are stuck at Reconnect after champion select. Well, basically, here is the fix. I'm on the official support page of riotgames.com, and you can see disable compatibility to or run as administrator fix the issue. Now, first thing, you want to locate League of Legends.exe. It is usually in the C drive, under which it is on Riot Games. On it, you want to head over to League of Legends, and on it, game by default. Then you want to right click on League of Legends.exe and then select the properties option. Once you have done so, go to the compatibility tab and clear all the checkboxes under the tab. Then run this program in compatibility mode 4 and run this program as an administrator are usually the culprits, but unchecking all the boxes is your best bet. In some cases, an issue with Windows debugging default settings may cause this error. Press the window keys plus R, then type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Then go to the advanced tab and startup and recovery settings. Startup and recovery, under it, head over to settings. Then change the right debugging information drop down to none. Then restart your computer. Now you can see here various other fixes as well. So if you have tried all the solutions but still having problem, you can use a VPN as well. It might be security software interference. Now security software like Comodo or MCsoft can sometimes cause the error. Simply, you can go ahead and type setting, head over to settings, and then there head into privacy and security and virus and threat protection. Under it, tap on manage settings and then head into exclusions. There, select add or remove exclusions and add an exclusions. Then add C program files, Riot Vanguard, C Riot Games, Riot Client, C drive, Riot Games, there League of Legends. So I hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.